I was going to shoot a quick video here of kind of a rare gun. I didn't make a lot of these Glocks. With this particular model RTF with a scallop slide like that. This gun right here is it's in excellent shape. Hasn't been shot very much. But they didn't make too many of those RTFs with a slide like that, and I've had the other RTF Glock in the 45 caliber, but this is the 23, and just wanted to shoot a quick video of it there. Always wanted a Glock with that particular slide. Of course, some people like them, some people didn't. But anyway, just wanted to shoot a quick video of it there. I'm not going to be able to shoot it. Got some good hollow points and everything, but when the gun shoots good, I just not going to be able to do a video right now of me shooting it. But I just wanted to put out a video out there and see how many other folks might have this particular Glock. They didn't make a whole lot of them. Wish they would made more of these and like have a OD or a coyote polymer lower on them, but anyway, they didn't. So shoot that video, and if anybody else has got one, maybe they can comment on it down below there. So I'll catch you guys later. I'm out.